Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to review a case for my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But before I do that, check this out. Alright everyone, so I know you picked up the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and you're looking for some cases for it. Stay tuned to this video. I'm going to review the Ringke Fusion X case for the Note 10 Plus. I want to give Ringke a shout out for actually sending this case to me for a review. You can pick it up for Amazon for $11.99 or $12.99 depending on the color that you pick up. They sent me the Camel Black, which is $12.99. But it comes in black, which is $11.99, and space blue. I will have the links in the description, so that way if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. But bam, Ringke made some great cases. But let's see how this fits. We will test out the fit, and also if you can wireless charge, and see if everything lines up. Alright, so nice little presentation from Ringke. Bam, if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. Follow them on their social media websites. Let's see if I can get into this. Look at the case. Bam, I like that camo. That is a nice look. Yes, it does have the plastic. So what I'm going to do is take this offline and peel off the plastic. And I will be right back. Alright, so bam, there you go. The plastic is off of it. But let's check out the case. The cutouts look great for the pen and also the speaker and the USB Type-C. Also for the microphone down there. Bam, you have a Ridge power button / Bixby button. The volume rockers look great. At the top, the cutouts look like they will fit. And then the cutout for the camera hump. But let's see how this bad boy fits. Nice and snug. Do you have that lip protection? Yes, you do. Look at that. Check out the camera hump. Yes, it gives you that protection also in the back. Everything lines up. Is the pen easy to get to? Yes, it's very easy to get to, which is very important. Bam, let's check out the top. Everything lines up at the top too. The corners have that corner protection. See, the power button works. The volume rockers definitely work. I should have that ringtone turned down. This is definitely a nice case. Let's see how everything fits too. See if I can focus. It fits pretty well. Not too bad. Look at the sides. Because everybody asks us, how does it protect the curve? Let's give y'all that little close-up action there. But what y'all think about it? I think actually, look at the back. It looks really good too. Shows off the Samsung logo. Now, can you wireless charge with it? I don't think you will have a problem, but let's check out. Yes, you can wireless charge. So if you can wireless charge, it means that you can actually also do the power sharing charge on here. It will work. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.